Good morning once again, dear students. Today we'll be learning about the benefits of electronic business. We'll be elaborating the following points: ease of formation and lower investment, convenience, speed, global reach or access, movement towards a paperless society. So let's begin. First point is ease of formation and lower investment. There are very few procedural requirements or formalities to start electronic business. The benefits of internet technology accrue uniformly to small or big business firms. Heavy investment is not required as physically the products are not required to be stored, or no showrooms or retail shops or any such infrastructure is required. So heavy investment is not needed. It is important only to have contacts or the network. Second point is convenience on behalf of customers. It offers 24/7 access to the business. It's highly flexible as time and space are no barriers here. It offers accessing anything, anywhere and at any time. Third benefit is of speed. It allows trading of goods and services at just a single click, especially advantageous in case of information intensive products. It results in reduced complete cycle time starting from product's demand to its fulfillment, as business process is simultaneous. So it is saving time, money, efforts. Global reach or access. Traditionally, the businesses were confined to the specific city or the specific area or that specific region only. But e-business, it allows seller to access global markets, buyers to choose from a variety of products available anywhere in the world. And last but not the least, it is leading towards the movement to a paperless society. It reduces the dependency on paperwork, reduction of red tapeism, that is delay in decision making or delay in the completion of the tasks. It also brings administrative reforms aimed at speeding up the process of granting permissions, approval and licenses. For example, Maruti Udyog Limited works in a paperless fashion by using computer networks to place orders, to monitor production and to make the payments. So this way e-business is very much beneficial and it is one of the trending modes of business enterprise, that is emerging modes of business. One of the emerging modes of business is e-business. In next module, we learn about the difference between e-business and traditional business. Thank you all. Have a nice day.